When trials come, what's most important becomes really clear. This is about emotional resilience and toxic people and not tolerating them. Okay? So what would grandma do? I think about that all the time, right? Toxic people, you got energy vampires. You know, in any given day, we only have so much emotional energy. And just like time, once it's gone, it's gone. Okay? So it takes a lot of time to get over your emotional traumas. And getting over emotional traumas and changing your paradigm permanently and creating a new paradigm and a new life, it takes time. So it's like every time you allow someone to steal your emotional energy, it takes that much longer to get back on track, which is similar to what I talked to in the last episode. You know, if you keep a positive attitude, then if you fall, you know, it's easier to get back up, right? So I'm the leader. I am the thermostat. Everyone else tells the temperature of the room. You know, oh, it's cold. It's so cold. Everything's so bad. I can't do it. I'm not good enough. People are hating on me. Okay, so I have to hear this every day, right? This is the place where I came from, though. All the negativity, all the victim stuff and complaining, and you're afraid and you can't do it and everything's so bad. Maybe you're suicidal right now, you're physically ill. And this is the place where I came from, and that's why I'm able to serve you. But if I allow others to bring me down emotionally, how could I be here for you? Ain't happening, bro. So most people are the thermometer. If you're watching right now, you're probably the thermometer. You're telling the temperature. It's bad. Everything's bad. I can't do it. I'm not good enough. There's lots of haters. You're always complaining, negative. Okay. And that's why I'm here. Because I am the thermostat. You tell the temperature as a thermometer, but I'm the thermostat, and I change the temperature of the room and your mind. So thanks for watching. Get your mind right, mommy. All right. But do you think that is easy? Do you really think that it's easy for me to hear about all that you're going through and then feeling helpless to help you? You know, you're over there, you're laying in bed, you're depressed, you're feeling lost, you're feeling helpless, maybe even suicidal. And because you're stuck over something that somebody did to you many years ago, or maybe it was a year ago, maybe it was 6 months ago, but you're feeling lost, you're feeling depressed, maybe suicidal, you're feeling helpless, you need someone to be there for you. Or maybe you're numbing yourself with medications or sex or drugs or cigarettes, TV, food, right? Just like I was 15 years ago. Okay? So, but I've been through these things, and that's why God kept me alive. This is my purpose. This is the reason I started my business. This is why I fight so hard today, so that I can empower you and help you get out of your hell. Okay? I got the keys so that I can come back and give them to you. Okay? I want you to learn from my life. Okay? Don't make the mistakes that I did. Don't wait, until you're 40 years old or 38, whatever. If you're 16, 13, whatever, start now and become emotionally resilient now, and don't let anybody hold you down. Okay? You get one life. Be happy. Why live it for somebody else, right? It's hard enough to be the leader, to be the thermostat, the most positive person. And what I'm going through, all the things that I've gone through and what I'm going through now on top of everything else with my injuries, it's hard enough with all that I'm going through to be the most positive person. So what happens if I allow someone else to bring me down? Then I can't lift you up. I can't be here for you. I can't help you. And that would be the death of me. That would be the death of my spirit, my soul, because this is what I live for. And I really, before I die, I want to see lives change. I want to see you happier out there living your life and not letting other people affect you, but doing what you want to do and being happy and being resilient emotionally, mentally, socially, spiritually, physically, and financially. Okay? Because you're worth it. All right? Emotional energy is the most valuable resource because once it's gone, it's gone. And you can replace it the next day, but you lose a lot of time. I lost decades by allowing emotional vampires to be sucking the lifeblood out of me. And yeah, I just can't. I can't do it anymore. I won't allow it anymore. You know why? Because now I have you dependent on me. And I don't take that responsibility lightly. Okay, so thank you so much for putting your faith and your trust in me. I won't let you down. You're worth it. So what would Grandma do? Grandma was a no-nonsense grandma. Okay, let's say Grandma gets a text from someone and that person is all caps, yelling at her, demanding, trying to control her. You know what Grandma would do? Grandma knows what I'm telling you. Okay? She knows that she could not give from an empty cup. And Grandma was the leader of our family. And she also held herself responsible for a lot of others as well. Neighbors, church family, etc. She didn't have to. She didn't have to be responsible for all those people, but she did it because she wanted to. Just like I want to be here for you. Okay? And that's why I need to be emotionally intelligent, emotionally resilient, and not let the vampires steal my energy. Okay? So Grandma put her needs first. Okay? So what would Grandma do? She would give that person no response if it was a text, and then just wait for them to be nice again, basically. If it was on the phone, Grandma would hang up, and she would not answer until they learned their lesson. See, we teach people how to treat us, and we teach them how to treat us by what we allow them to do to us. Okay, so Grandma knew this. She always told me, don't allow people's negativity and controlling behaviors to bring you down, Liberty. Their energy wipes you out. And I'd be there, and the phone will be ringing and ringing. And once she got a cell phone, then she'd have two phones ringing and ringing. And I said, Graham, don't you want to pick up so they would stop calling? And she's like, no, don't get the hint. and like, man, Graham was so strong. And then I was like, Graham, it's so annoying though. And she's like, you know what's more annoying? Allowing them to bring me down and steal my energy like the vampires they are. So just like Grandma was a no-nonsense grandma, I'm a no-nonsense Liberty. Okay? Because I have to keep my emotional energy good so that I can be here for you. And I can't be a hypocrite. I can't allow people to bring me down. How could I be a great leader if I'm not doing the things that I tell you to do? Or if I'm not doing the things, or if I'm not doing. If I'm saying don't do something and then I'm doing it, I'm a hypocrite. And if I'm not doing something and I tell you to do it, I'm a hypocrite. So I won't be a hypocrite. I won't be a hypocrite because I'm a leader and I'm here for you, okay? So I'm a no-nonsense Liberty. WWGD, what would Grandma do? Okay, so think, what would Grandma do? Next time you feel like somebody's bringing you down, what would Grandma do? You know, because you don't want to wait until you're 30, 35, 40 years old to learn these lessons. You want to be happier, and you want to be happy now. So start now. That's my only thing that I want, is I want you to start sooner than I did and learn these lessons from my life. I have another episode that you can look It's in the cards around here somewhere. You just click on that, and it's about healing from emotional trauma. So this is going to be, you're going to love that. That one will help you with having better energy once you heal your traumas, and it'll make your mind better. It'll clear your mind. It's like clearing your phone of all the apps, right? It'll make you work faster, you know? So check that one out. And this is going to be an ongoing series because this is why I live for. This is how God's healed me through my emotional stuff and being able to do my YouTube channel. It's helping me even more to be here for you, right? So this is going to be an ongoing series. So consider subscribing, okay? Because that's what I'm here for, to serve you. And if this is something that catches on with you and you're like, oh, this really gave me value, then subscribe, leave a comment, tell me your name. I would love to know you. And also, if you got value from this, consider becoming a patron of the channel. We got $1 tier and we got a $5 tier. Everybody can give $1 or $5. All right. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. All my information is in the description. And thank you for watching. You are worth it. You can do it. I know that you can because I've done it. Thank you so much. Hey, when trials come, what's most important becomes clear. Take care of yourself first. You're worth it. She's a bad girl.